welcome to Man Kitchen Recipe. I am Kevin, and today I am going to do about a 3.5 pound beef round. We're going to make it like a pit beef or a deli thin sliced for possibly, you know, like an Arby's roast beef. I've got Meat Church Holy Cow rub on there. That's all I'm going to put on it. I had just enough Wine Country barbecue Wine Infused Pellets to fit in my tailgater, so this will fit perfect in my tailgater. I'm going to bring the temp up with my meat stick to 100 and I think I'll go 135 since we're doing sandwiches. And yeah, let's get this on. I do want to mention though, it is a hot one out here today, and the Leinenkugel's Summer Shandy is perfect. Alright, let's get this on. We're going to put there's a little fat cap. We're going to put the fat cap down and see when it's ready. Just look at the smoke that wine infused barbecue pellets are putting out on this tailgater. My MeatStick app is reading 135 degrees. So it's got about, it says 3 hours and 45 minutes. It's probably been about 3.5 hours. I did put the meat stick in about 15 minutes before putting it on the grill. So let's pull this off. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's get this over here. All right, there we go. Get that meat stick out of there. I'm gonna wrap this up in foil. Do a pretty good tight wrap. Somewhat tight. Okay. Put that under, just like that. All right. Okay, there we go. That's our beef round. 3.5 hours at 225 using Wine Country barbecue wine infused pellets. I'm gonna let this rest for about 30 to 45 minutes and we'll slice into it. We'll slice it up and make some sandwiches. We'll make our own, what do they call them? Beef and cheddar sandwich like Arby's. See you in a few. The record, Pit Boss Tailgater, 3.5 hours. I had it up to about here. So it used just about half of these pellets, which is like I said, I love this thing. It's very fuel efficient. All right, we'll see you when we're slicing this beef up. All right, we let this rest for about 45 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Check this round out. Get rid of this foil. And let's cut into this bad boy right about, let's do it right here. Just see, oh, well, it's cutting really nice. Let's just check this out. Okay, let's check it. All right, oh, look at that. That's a beautiful medium right there. Medium, medium rare, perfect. All right, let's get this on the slicer. All right, we're gonna slice these as thin as we can get them for right now. Look at that. Okay, and this is the thickness that we had right here. Looking good. Now I'm going to microwave some nacho cheese sauce since I didn't make any. I got brioche buns, my cheese. I've got Uncle Steve's, the sauce with no name. Now let's get the build on. Let me just open these up, and I'm going to start piling this meat on. Look at that. You know how Arby's piles it on, right? We're gonna pile it on a little better than Arby's here. This one here. Get that topped off. That looks like about enough, right in there. All right. Okay, let's speed this up a little bit. We'll pile the one on for this one. You know, this roast beef, it has such great flavor. I'll show you in the taste test in a minute. But now, what I'm going to do is make this one like Arby's with just the barbecue sauce on it, with Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. And this one's going to be like the beef and cheddar, but I'm using the nacho cheese sauce instead, since I didn't make any cheese sauce. Just get that piled on like that. Let me put the lids on these. These are going to be so good. All right, look at that. Beef and cheddar and a barbecue beef sandwich. All right, there you go. Better than Arby's right there. Beef and cheddar. Just regular barbecue sauce. For Arby sauce, we use Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. I know that's going to be good. So before we do a taste test of the sandwiches, I brought a piece of just the meat. Look at that. Perfect. Man. I only sliced up half of this. I'm going to let the other one in the fridge overnight, and then I'm going to slice it and see if I get even thinner slices. That holy cow on this beef is just incredible. Meat Church's holy cow. All right, let's take a taste. All right, there you go. Beef and cheddar, beef and nacho cheese sauce. Look at that. Got the cheese sauce. Good thing I got my napkin. Man, that's good. All right, we've got to try the regular roast beef, right? Better than Arby's roast beef sandwich with, instead of Arby sauce, we have Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. I'll go with the barbecue any day of the week. I don't like running fake cheese. I like real cheese, but hey, I didn't make any cheese sauce, so I only got myself to blame, right? Man, this beef sandwich with the Uncle Steve's sauce with no name, you cannot beat that. This is delicious. My goodness. So soft and tender. All right. Okay. We had a 3.5 pound beef round, $2.25 on the Pit Boss Tailgater, Wine Country Barbecue Wine Infused Pellets. Oh my goodness. You can taste the smoke in this thing. You won't get that from Arby's, right? That's why I say this is better than Arby's. Way better. Okay, so here's the next day. I sliced it up nice and thin. You can actually see a smoke ring in there. Looking good. And how thin? Ah, you can see the light through it. That's how thin. These are going to make some awesome sandwiches. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment. You know what to do, right? Come back. We got more coming. Have a great day.